Today I'm going to show you how to repair some blue line that you may have found a leak in thanks to a metal peg or similar. Today we're going to have two tools involved in this repair, some pipe cutters and some multi-grips. The repair coupling that we're going to use is a Philmac 3G, which is a South Australian made compression coupling. Nothing else is required, no power, no lubricants, just your hands in most cases. Multi-grips if you are struggling to do them up. So first thing we're going to do is remove the bit that's damaged. So these cutters you can cut blue line with by twisting. It's really important that we have a nice smooth surface on the edge and that it's perpendicular to the pipe. So as you can see, that's quite straight. Now you want to back these nuts off slightly. Usually they come at the area or come backed off as far as they need to be. Slide each of the pieces of pipe into each end, making sure that they're clean and they're not covered in dirt. And then that can be tightened up. And then the other side is the same, and that can be tightened up. Now you can do this by hand, or you can use multi-grips. Obviously these pipes, if they're in the ground, won't be twisting. You do them up until they can't be done up any further, and you have yourself a mains pressure rated repair for 25mm blue line. Now, if the damage was quite large, you might need to put two couplings in and a little bit more pipe, and obviously the same process would apply all the way up to their 63mm compression. If you've got any questions about this or anything else irrigation related, do not hesitate to reach out to us at waterpro.com.au.